Yo, thanks for tuning in. My name is True Soldier, and last week I posted a video of hanging out with my friends and shooting some guns. I would consider that a vlog. You guys considered it a vlog, and I had an overwhelming amount of positive response in that video, and a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see me do more in the outside world. You wanted me to step outside the little box that I'm usually in when I'm live streaming, and you want to see what's going on in my life. When I watched that video back, I liked the way it turned out. I liked the editing, but there's one thing that I didn't like, and that was the audio. And let me just show you what I use. Guys, I use a Gopro Hero5, and the audio was okay. It got by. I mean, for a first-time vlog, I thought it turned out pretty good. But the audio was terrible, and the guns, it sounded like we were shooting like airsoft guns. It was like thump, thump, thump. I don't know what, it sounded so weird because that is not what they sounded like in real life, and that makes guns badass. I mean, that's what you want to hear. You want to hear that gunshot. But all we were shooting were Nerf balls, according to the audio. If I'm going to be doing more vlogs for you guys, I got a couple little goodies to help me as I embark on this journey. I'm sure there's an easy way to do this, but when you're slow, you just gotta rip the shit. That was my laptop. So in the first box, we have the Rode, which is what I use here as well. I'm a huge fan of Rode. Their sound quality is amazing, especially for the price, and it sounds awesome. I love it so much. I went with the Rode mic for the GoPro as well. And let's see what's in box number dos. All right, so let me just set this. All right, we got this one, and this one. Okay, we can't just mount a microphone on top of this thing. There's no slot for it. So what I had to get from my vlogging rig is let's see here. Anything? Nope. So what I got was this U-shaped handle, and the GoPro is going to sit down here, and the mic is going to attach up at the top, and then I can, you know, hey, what's going on? But there's nothing there. So right now it's kind of weird to be talking into nothing. All right, so let's put the GoPro as far forward as we can because we don't want it to interfere with the microphone. We don't want the microphone sticking out into the shot. It's so tiny. This thing's actually meant for like all kinds of cameras. In the picture that I saw on Amazon, they had a camera mounted onto here that took up all the space. So this looks extremely tiny. Also, if we're gonna be vlogging, you know, you never know what kind of weather there's gonna be, or what time of day something might come up, a badass moment that you want to capture. To go with this, we have a light made by NEEWER, and I'll put links down in the description. So I guess if you guys want to see the stuff or possibly order the things yourself. I'm not an Amazon affiliate, although I probably should get linked up with that if I'm gonna be like, hey, go buy this stuff. And with this light, they actually give you these little inserts that you can soften the light up a little bit, like a little softbox, you know, so that it's not like glaring off your face. So we're gonna leave that one on there, and they send you this little nifty like wallet looking thing with an orange one in there too. I don't know when that would come into play. I'm gonna have to Google when would you use an orange light filter. So we're gonna set that one down there. This is actually huge. Oh my god. The light is much bigger than the camera. Oh my god, it's blinding me. I need a cameraman. I'm gonna have to hold this shit while I vlog. Hey, True Soldier here. Now, let's unbox the Rode mic. Oh, it's got that new mic smell. Ooh, cat hair. Actually, I don't know what that is. I think that's from the packaging. Ooh, it's so light. I should get sponsored by Rode, you know? So I'm missing out. I'm missing out on so many opportunities when it comes to this stuff. We're tightening it up, and we're on. It's got this little red shock thing, which is kind of cool. Shock absorber. The thing is, it's right here, like by your thumb. I don't want to be bumping that while I'm, and the cat hair. I don't know what this is. Wow, this is looking awesome. It looks so cool. One last thing here, we can't forget the batteries. For the light, they do make a rechargeable pack that goes onto the back, as you can see, actually it's right here. So they just go in like so. Oh, this thing takes 6 AA batteries, and we need to save this for if we get the rechargeable battery pack will sit inside of that. So let's put this somewhere where we're gonna remember it. Oh, whoa, Whoa! Whoa! Oh, God. It does have a dimmer on it. So let me see here. I don't want to blind you too much. All right, so that's as low as it goes. That's as low as it goes. It gets really bright. Oh, God. All right, so when I ordered everything, I had to get an adapter to hook the microphone up to the GoPro because this is your 3.5 millimeter microphone jack, which the GoPro does not have. So this is going to go from the microphone to the GoPro, but we need an adapter. And what I got based on the description was that this was for a GoPro to hook the microphone into this hole. This goes into the GoPro. Sadly, this is only up to a GoPro 4, a Hero 4. And after that, they changed it. So we're going to save that maybe for another device down the road. All right, so what I did have to get, and this was not cheap. And apparently GoPro is the only one that makes this. If you are using a GoPro Hero 5 or newer, you need to get the Pro 3.5 millimeter mic adapter, which no one makes that, just GoPro. So conveniently, they have the monopoly on this, so they can charge whatever the hell they want. If I didn't buy this, there's no way I could hook up the microphone. So that sucks. I don't know what that does, but I do know what this does. All right, so what we have is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack that goes into that, or microphone jack, same jack. And then this is like the special. This is the special connector for the GoPro Hero 5 or newer. That's also the charging port. And whenever you want to upload videos, this is what gets plugged into your computer. So this is not the same as the previous GoPro editions 4 and older. All right, so there we go. That's connected to that. And this goes into the back of the microphone. We have the GoPro Hero 5. We have the microphone adapter. We have the Rode mic. We have the U-shaped handle and the newer light. All right, so now what I want to do is a comparison of before all of this and after all of this. So I'm going to start with the microphone actually unplugged, no light on. We're just going to go raw GoPro. All right, so let's turn this thing on, and I'm hitting record now. And there we go. Okay, so this is the GoPro. Let me take these off. The GoPro without the microphone, without the Rode mic. This is bare bones. This is completely stock. And we're going to take a little walk to see what it sounds like in different environments. Now, it's probably a little dark right now, but we're going to walk out to my kitchen slash dining room slash living room area to get an idea what it sounds like. There's a lot of sound bouncing off the walls out here, a lot more echo. So this is bare bones, check 1, 2, bare bones GoPro Hero 5. Now we're going to turn on the light and the microphone and see if it makes a difference. This is with the light on and the microphone. So this is the Rode microphone, the newer light with the GoPro Hero 5. So you guys will have to make the call on what you guys think. I'm not gonna know what it looks like until I put it on my computer and compare the two next to each other and listen to the difference in the sounds. The light is just an afterthought. Really, it's the microphone that needed fix. It was the sound quality that was really bad. So far I like it. It's not that bad. It's kind of heavy with everything on there. I'm used to holding the little GoPro itself. I won't have to go to the gym anymore. I can just lift this. All right, so I'm gonna hook these back up to the computer. I'm gonna compare the two and see what I think. You guys let me know down in the comments below on what you thought sounded better. I can only assume, my God, it better be the Rode, because if that Rode microphone does not compare to the crappy GoPro Hero 5 quality, then something is wrong. Then I wasted a lot of money. All right, so there you go, guys. That's my new vlogging setup, and I want to put this to work quite a bit. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about the quality of sound before and after. Let me know if vlogging is something that you thought about doing, and if any of this helped you guys out with what to buy, what to get. Again, this is only one possible setup among many, but if you like what you saw, if you like the quality, then there's a couple ideas for things that you can get to help with your vlogging setup. With all that being said, I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with all my content, my gaming content, my vlogging content, all of my content. Hit that like button if you feel in your hearts to do so. And last but not least, stay swole.